Let's learn practice set 3.2. Hi students, now in this episode we are going to learn practice set 3.2. In this we learn the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. Suppose you are having a number a raised to m upon n. This can be written as a raised to m into 1 upon n, and you can write it as a raised to 1 upon n raise m. It means that here your index is m and the number is a raised to 1 upon n. And how you read this? This can be read as mth power of 1 upon n means nth root of a. Now this is your first part. Say second, a raised to m upon n, which is equal to a m into 1 upon n, which can be written as a raised m and then 1 upon n, because these are the product. Now it means, if you look at this, it is nth root, so you can say nth root of mth power of a. This means when you are having a m upon n, this will be your power and this will be your root and this is your base. Now let's read one number, 8 raised to 5 upon 7. Suppose I start with my power, so I say fifth power of 7 is down, which is the root, 7th root of 8. A same thing can be read as 7th root of 5th power of 8. I hope you have understood. Let's begin exercise 3.2. Practice set 3.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table. Serial number 1. Number, power of the root, root of the power. Question number 1. 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Answer is given to you. Let's understand. When I see power, power is 3, that means cube. And root is 2, so I'll write cube of square root of 225. When I start with the root, 2 is square root, that means square root of third part means cube, square root of cube of 225. Now next question, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. I have to see power first, so 4, so I will write fourth power of, this is 5, which is root side, so I'll write fifth root of 45. Now when I start with root, I'll write fifth root of this 4. So fourth power of your base 45. Exactly the same way, 81 raised to 6 upon 7. 6 is your power. So you'll write 6th power of 7th root of 81. Same way, conversely you can say 7th root of 6th power of 81, which is your base. Next, 100 raised to 1, 4 upon 10. So here base is 100. If you see power is 4. So fourth power of 1 upon 10 means 10th root of 100. Similarly here 10th root, this is the root and this power, so 10th root of 4th power of base 100. 21 raised to 3 upon 7. So here 21 is your base, 3 is your power. 3 means cube. So we'll write cube. Please remember it is cube. Cube of 7th root of 21. In the second column, 7th root of cube of 21. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Question number 1. Square root of 5th power of 121. So your base is 121. Write 121. Put bracket. Now it will be m upon n form. Numerator will be a power and denominator will be your root. So numerator is power, which is 5th power, so 5, and square root, so here it is, square root means 2. Second question, cube of 4th root of 324. So your base will be 324. Write 324. Put bracket. And then your index will be m upon n form. Cube is your power, so power is 3 and root is 4th root, so m upon n. Numerator will be your power, which is your 3, and root will be 4th root, means 4. Question number 3. 5th root of square of 264. So once again 264 you will consider as base, you will write as a base. Then again m upon n form, because root is also there, square is also there. Numerator you have to write power, so that means square is 2 and 5th root means 5. Question number 4. Cube of cube root of 3. So your base is 3. Power is cube, cube means 3. And cube root, again root is 3. So m upon n, 3 upon 3. So 3 raised to 3 upon 3. In this way we completed practice set 3.2, and now I hope that you are able to solve any question of similar types where You have to represent the given number with rational indices. Either it is 1 upon n form or m upon m form. Please remember the tips which I have given you, and I am sure that you can solve many questions and all the questions of similar types. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Audio Jungle.